Hello lovely people. Today I'm sharing my holiday nail transformation with Gel X nails that can last an entire month. While I lost some of the prep footage, I'll walk you through what I did to achieve these festive red nails. Also, I apologize for sounding a little stuffy. My allergies have been acting up, but let's dive right in. To start, I clipped and drilled off my previous fall nails. I did not have to soak them because they came off super easily after having them for nearly a month. Once they were removed, I cleaned and prepped my cuticles, but unfortunately, I lost the clip of these steps. Here, I'm filing my natural nails to smooth them out and prepare for the Gel X application. After filing, I apply a coat of primer to protect my natural nails. So guys, what I've done is label all my sizes that I know that already fits me. Then I apply the Gel X nails extension and cure them one by one under my small limb, and again for 60 seconds under my bigger limb. So we're done with the nails. I am going to do them very short. So I'm gonna cut them and then clean the corners and then get to penning. Once all the extension were applied, I cut them down to the short length I wanted and filed the tip to perfect the shape. I also clean off any extra gel from the side of my nails to give them a neat, polished look. Next, I painted my nails with a classic red gel polish, perfect for the holiday season. I forgot to use a base coat this time, but I applied 2 coats of the gel polish. Each layer was cured under my big lip, and I finished it off with a top clear coat for that salon quality shine.
Alright guys, I am all done with my nails. This is the result. Ooh, I got a little spot right here, but yeah, this is how everything came out. I hope you could see it. I am so happy with the result. Right now I'm about to go soak my toes. I'm not doing any color in my toenails just because I don't like it. I'm just only gonna put some clear base on there and scrub. Well, scrub first. Let me know how you think I did. What do you think? So if you made it this far to the video, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to stay lovely. See you in the next video.